Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a quick and easy Nankhatai recipe that uses very basic ingredients, no eggs, no baking powder, and gets that perfect crumbly khasta texture just by combining maida, besan and rava in a certain proportion. And the best part is that from start to finish, it all takes less than 30 minutes to make. So let's get started, shall we? For making Nankhatai, you need half cup sieved maida, 1/4 cup sieved besan, 1 tablespoon sieved rava, 1/16 of a teaspoon salt, half cup sieved powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon elaichi, and about 5 tablespoons ghee. And for this it's important to use room temperature ghee and not melted ghee. Once you have everything ready, all you need to do is mix in the dry ingredients, the flours, sugar, elaichi powder, salt, and then slowly start adding in the ghee a little at a time. The goal is to make a semi-firm dough that binds together, though it's okay if it doesn't come together completely. What you don't want is an overly crumbly dough that doesn't bind at all, or an overly soft dough that is too sticky. Once the dough is ready, start shaping it into flattened balls. I usually make smaller sized balls, but this is totally up to what you prefer. This quantity of dough makes about 10 medium-sized Nankhatais. As you're making these dough balls, preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit, and once the dough balls are ready, line a baking tray with parchment paper and start placing the dough balls on it. Then garnish with some chopped pistachios, saffron strands, or the garnish of your choice by pressing them in the center of these cookies. And as you can see, I have just made an indentation with my finger, but you can use sweet stamps or folk designs to make it even prettier. Once the oven is preheated, bake these cookies for about 10 to 12 minutes till they turn light golden and crispy. And there you have it, delicious Nankhatais in less than 30 minutes. Make them for festive occasions as a quick sweet treat for guests, or pair it with your daily chai and enjoy! For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below, and if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you in my next one, happy cooking!